Hey, if you're a big believer in the statement, home is where you hang your hat, well, you might just be a camping and RV person. And with the latest advancements in recreational vehicles, that home is looking just as comfortable as the one you drive away from for that next fun trip. If you're in the market for an RV, or maybe you just want to get more info on the amazing camping, fishing, hiking, and other outdoor fun in the area, the Grand Rapids Camper and RV Show. That's the place to be. It all starts this Thursday, and Derek Lancioni is the show manager, joining us this morning with a preview. Good morning, Derek.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm excited because I do love I'm the one person in my family that likes camping.
Well, that's great. There's always got to be one.
Right? But RVs these days, I mean, we're going to see every type of RV possible all in one place. Talk about one-stop shopping.
Absolutely. Whether you have a small SUV or you're looking for a giant motorhome, we've got everything, all the different models everywhere in between.
And hopefully I wasn't misspeaking when I said that the RVs these days are just as comfortable as the homes that you're leaving. I mean, you've seen some pretty impressive stuff there, I'm sure.
Oh, they sure are. There's so many different options in between the decor, the interior decorating, the comfort level, the slide outs. I mean, everything is there.
Yeah, it's just almost like literally traveling with a home.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
yeah, absolutely.
It's pretty cool. And so if that's you, from a giant motorhome to everything to a little towable and everything in between, they've got you covered at the Grand Rapids Camper Travel and RV Show. But it is much more than that. If you think that's all it is, no, no, no. This is the place to go, Derek, if you want to know where to go.
Absolutely.
Right? Later on, if you want to go camping.
Yeah, so not only can you buy an RV there, you can also look at all sorts of camping destinations, both around this state and around the country. We have camping destinations from all over, plus the DNR and any local campgrounds that you'd want to visit. And
I've heard that, and correct me if I'm wrong here, but I've heard that if you go there and you're talking to these places, you can actually reserve and book spots.
Absolutely. Yep. They're prepared to reserve your spot right then and there.
Absolutely. So this is, I mean, what an ideal time to book this summer or this spring or this fall's trip wherever you want to go camping. So not only do you have the RVs from big to small, and you've got all of the great information you need to get the camping and the hiking and the fishing, there's something to learn there too. You guys have some amazing seminars. Talk about what you're bringing this year.
So Hutch and Sherry are a company with Freedom in a Can, and they have been touring around in their canned ham 1950s trailer for a long time, I think about 13 years. They're going to be teaching all sorts of things between camp cooking and traveling to Alaska and solar, if you're looking to put solar on your RV. So I recommend going to our website, grandrapidsrvshow.com, and looking at the seminar schedule and planning your trip ahead of time so that you know what seminar you'd like to go to.
Absolutely, and those the two that you mentioned there, they are returning. They've been doing this for quite some time. Talk a little bit about how important it is, or how beneficial it is, to be able to meet people that not only are. Some of these people are selling products. Some of these people are living those products. And those seminars, that's what they do.
Absolutely. And they are always there to talk to you and sort of walk you through it. They do have one seminar, I believe, that's about new RVers. So if you're just getting into it, but they can cater to any sort of thing. They've lived the life. So if you want to talk to them, they'll be there.
Yeah, and that's key. That's really one of the best things about this, is actually talking to other people who have lived it, because I'm sure you're going to have questions. But let's talk about national parks. I mean, even those, a great place to go is the RV Show if you want to learn more about national parks. And accessories, you see anything cool out there? I mean, I don't know if you're setting up yet, but...
Yeah, they're just loading in today, so I'm not sure, but that is always the thing that I stop by when I'm walking around the show. I walk through the general RV section of the accessories, and I look at all the different gadgets. I look at, you know, the mugs and the mats and the little tools that you never knew you'd think you needed.
Yeah, that is definitely one of the cool. I do the same thing. It's the accessories and the gadgets that always pull me into this kind of stuff. Hey, don't miss it. The tools, the tech, the furnishings, everything, of course, including the RVs themselves, are waiting for you. The 15th through the 18th at DeVos Place. Tickets are only $5 up to $18. You can get more info, as you hear Derek say, at grandrapidsrvshow.com. Thanks for the time this morning.
Thank you so much.
We'll be right back.